हेलो बच्चों, आज हम करेंगे वर्ड ऑफ नंबर्स एक्सरसाइज 3.2। इसका पहला क्वेश्चन है द टेम्परेचर इन द हाई एल्टीट्यूड डेजर्ट ऑफ लद्दाख इज रिकॉर्डेड एट 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस एट द नून। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, एट नून वी हैव 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस। एट नून द टेम्परेचर was plus 4 degrees Celsius, right? By midnight it drops by 15 degrees Celsius. What is the midnight temperature? Now it has gone down by 15 degree. So it has gone down by 15 degrees Celsius in the night. So what would be the temperature? So plus 4 minus 15. So it is giving us minus 11 degrees Celsius at midnight, right? So midnight पे जो हमारा टेम्परेचर होगा वो माइनस 11 डिग्री सेल्सियस होगा, क्योंकि 4 से 15 और गिर गया, तो 4 तो वो गिरा और माइनस 11 तक गिरा, तो यानी कि 15 डिग्री गिर गया। ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, it says a spice trader takes a loan of 850. The next day he makes a profit of, चलिए पहले समझ लेते हैं, 1200. The following week he incurs a loss of 450. Write the sequence as an equation using the integers and calculate the final financial standings. Okay. First, trader takes a loan, right? So he is in debt, so debt is minus, we denote it by minus, so 850. The next day he makes a profit fortune of 5000. Next day he makes a fortune, so we will denote it by plus, and that is amount is 1200. So net situation on the next day is minus 850 and plus 1200, that is plus 350. Plus 350 is his real position after making the fortune, right? The following week he incurs a loss of rupees 450. Next week he incurs a loss, right? So it is again debt of minus, that is 450, that means 100 rupees loss. So current position of trader is minus 100 rupees. This is the financial standing of that particular trader is, right? He is making a loss of 100 rupees after making all the consideration. Now question number 3 says calculate the following using the Brahmagupta laws. So it is not different, but the word has been used by Brahmagupta is different. He has used the debt and the fortune. That means he has made a loss, जिसे हम हिंदी में ऋण और घन बोलते थे, ठीक है, वही चीज है. थर्ड पार्ट 1, it says calculate the following. So minus 12 multiply by plus 5. So it is minus and plus, it is always minus, right? So it is minus 60. The first one is. The second one is minus 8 minus 7. Minus 8 multiplied by minus 7. So he has 8 debt and he has 7 debt. So he will have 56 debt, right? Minus 56. Then the third one is given 0 minus 14. राइट। सो माइनस यानी कि हमारा ऋण माइनस ऋण, तो हमारा ऋण ऋण क्या होता है, ये फॉर्च्यून होता है। तो हमारा 0 + 14 इज इक्वल टू 14 फॉर्च्यून होगा, ठीक है, फॉर्च्यून। ये हमारा, इसको हम डेट कहते हैं, इसको हम डेट कहते हैं इन द लैंग्वेज ऑफ मिस्टर ब्रह्मगुप्ता। देन fourth has been given debt of 20 and divided by 4, right? So it will be like this, minus 20 divided by 4, so that will be -5 debt, right? -5. If we are dividing anything which is negative by a positive number, so the answer will always be a negative number, and in this language of Brahmagupta we will say debt, right? Now question number 4 says that explain using a real world example of debt why subtracting a negative number in the same as adding a positive number. Explain using a real world example of debt why subtracting a negative number is the same as adding a positive number. Okay, what happens, real example, if we have 20 rupees minus, we have taken -20, right? Explain using a real world example of a debt why subtracting a negative number is the same as adding a positive. Okay, subtracting a negative number, let's say we have 20, right, and we have -5, right? So that will give us 20 minus plus, that is 5 rupees, and that is 25 fortune, right? ये जैसे है कि हमने 20 रुपए में से, ठीक है, किसी को -5 रुपए देने थे, तो हमने माइनस कर दिया, तो हमने उसकी जो पेमेंट थी वो कर दी, तो हमारा फॉर्च्यून बढ़ गया, क्योंकि हमारी जो क्रेडिट वर्दीनेस है दैट हैज इंक्रीज. So in the simple terms we can say that 20 minus -5 is equal to this one, and it is saying similarly we can say that 20 plus 5 is also equal to 25 fortune. So this question is saying to show that if we are subtracting any negative number from a positive number, that is also a plus, and it is equivalent to adding a positive number in the positive number. So 20 minus -5 is also 25, and 20 plus 5 is equal to also 25. So this was it in exercise 3.2. We have only 4 questions. In the next class we will see 3.3. Thank you.